Oh my goodness, what is that? Well, that is your hair handler that is in your home. And this is your compressor that's on the side of your home or on top of your roof of your condos. And that over there are the ducts that are ran through your homes. If you walk in your house, you kind of flip the air conditioner on, you cut the temperature, oh, you want it on 70 degrees, and all of a sudden, whoo, it's 70 degrees in your house. And that's about as far as most people know on how the air conditioning system works. But there are three major components. You have these ducts that they run throughout your house. And then you have this thing on the outside of your house, it's called a compressor. And then on the inside of your home, generally in your garage or up in the attic or in a utility room, you have the air handler. So a lot of moving parts to your AC system. I mean, look here. Look at all these wires that's going to your compressor. It is amazing how many functions. Look at everything on the inside of there. That is a lot of moving parts, a lot of wires, a lot of lines, a lot of things that are taking place. Look at here. In your air handler, you have all these coils, more wires, lines. You got this big blower motor thing over here. You've got this part up here. So there's a lot of moving parts to your air conditioning system. And you know, any one of these cannot work properly. It could be a wire. It could be a connection. It can be your coils. It can be the blower over there. It can be holes in your ducts. And most people don't know that you have holes in your ducts. You're spending electricity money basically to cool your attic, to cool the roof of your building. Most of your utility bills is spent on your AC system, and you're spending money to cool your AC in the roof, in the attic of your home, because you just don't know. I mean, you look at here on the handler, this has got fiber in here. This is fiber that's in here, your insulation. If it's just a little hole in this insulation, now it's blowing through your home. You're breathing in fibers in your home. So there's a lot of things going on. So what I suggest that you do is this. Give us a call here at Accutemp so we can come out and check your system out for you. Make sure all the wires are connected the way they're supposed to. Everything is going on right with here. Your coils, if they need to be cleaned, let's go ahead and get those cleaned up. Whatever it may be, if you got holes in your ducts, let's identify if you got holes in there and you're spending money on getting your attic cool. I mean, who wants to spend $50 a month just to cool your attic? It makes sense to at least check it out to see if that's taking place. It makes sense to me anyway. But with that being said, take care. God bless. Give us a shout here over at Accutemp. You can hit us up through Messenger, or you can call us at our office. We'll be glad to come out, check your system out for you for absolutely free. With that being said, look forward to serving you in your neighborhood.